Hello everyone! Welcome to another class with JeJe. Did you have a nice holiday? I'm so happy to see you again! A couple of weeks ago, I was invited to my friend's wedding party. I could see how happy and in love they were. Do you think wedding parties are fun? Would you like to go to wedding parties? What's your idea about getting married? Do you think these days getting married is easier comparing to 10 or 20 years ago? Or no, it has got more difficult? First tell me, are you married? You're married? You are? You're not? Okay, single and happy about it? Good job. You are going to get married? Oh wow, we have someone here that we need to talk about a lot. Those who are married, when did you get married? 2 years ago? 5 years ago? 10 years ago? Oh my God, 10 years ago. So you are an experienced one. Tell us, how did you two meet? Was it a luxurious dating or no, it was normal at university, in a work office? Okay, as you got from what we were talking about and last session's story, we want to continue talking about relationships. This session, we will focus on marriage. First, tell me, what do you think of this topic? Do you suggest the youth to get married with this economic situation? Or no, you say that marriage time is over and it was for the time of our parents. Do you think you need to face your families together? Your parents with her or his parents? Your family, auntie and uncle, grandpa and grandma? Or no, you too just get married? Thank you very much. Now please click on the link I shared with you and listen to the story. Try to see what his idea is about getting married. We'll talk about it after you're finished. Thank you very much, class. Now tell me, what did you get of the story? What's his idea about marriage? Does he think marriage is good or no? Something not useful? Yes, he thinks, very good. He thinks marriage has some benefits. Very good, excellent. We'll talk about the benefits later on. Does he think that marriage has changed during time? Yeah, it has changed. Very good, very good. We'll talk about the changes of marriage during time too. Thank you, class. Now I want you to listen again and try to get the answers to these two items. What are the benefits of marriage and what changes it has faced during time? All right, what do you think about the benefits of marriage according to the story? He thinks, yeah, it makes you stable. Very good, stability. What else? Commitment. Excellent, very good. We've got commitment. Good job. Financial security. Thank you. Now, class, I want you to take your time for 5 minutes and talk about the items you listened to in the story with your partners. After 5 minutes, we will share our ideas, whether we agree with them or disagree. And in each case, what are our reasons? Thank you. Now tell me, what's your idea about the items you listened to in the story? Do you agree with them? Or do you think they are a little bit exaggerated? You disagree? Okay. Which part do you disagree and why? Which part do you agree and why? Thank you very much, class. Now I want you to get into groups of 4 and talk about this question with your classmates. If you could see two things change in you after your marriage, what would they be? If you think that you're going to have a change after you get married, or if you have had a change after your marriage, please talk with your friends for 10 minutes. Then we will share our ideas with the class. All right, let's talk about it. Have you had any changes after your marriage? Or do you think you're going to have some? Maybe you'll become more loyal. You're not loyal now? Okay, very good. You're loyal. Excellent. What else? You're emotionally stable. Excellent. Yes. Emotionally stable. Excellent. So stability, we talked about it, is one of the results of marriage. Excellent. Very good. What else? You're a better partner? So you say that you do the group works better? Excellent. Very good. You do group activities better? Excellent. Before you were so disordered and now you are ordered. You sleep on time, you eat on time, you go to bed on time. Very good, very good. So you are ordered. Excellent. Thank you very much, class. It was excellent. Now, class, I want you to listen to the rest of the story. Click on the link I shared with you and listen to the second part. We're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of marriage. Try to mention at least 4 for each category. We'll talk about it. All right, let's do it together. Let's start with the advantages. What options were mentioned in the audio? Stability, excellent, very good. Stability. What else? Commitment, excellent. Commitment, very good. What else? Partnership. Good job. Partnership, yes. You do things together. You deal with each other. And companionship, very good. Excellent. Companionship. How about the disadvantages of marriage? Which items were mentioned? Arguments, arguments, arguments. Everybody is fed up with the arguments. Good job, what else? Lack of individuality. Yeah, this is very serious, class. And limitations. Yeah, you mean hanging out with friends, or maybe changes in plans, whatever you were doing when you were single, they're not gonna happen anymore. Okay, very good. Limitations, excellent. Now I want you to think about these items mentioned in the audio and try to talk with your friends. Which options do you think are right? Which are not that much right? Let's discuss about them and we'll get back to each other after 10 minutes. Thank you very much, class. Now please click on the link I shared with you and try to answer the 8 questions asked. Then we will ask and answer with the partners. Thank you, class. Now please look at this question. What would you suggest to your next generation, to your younger brothers or sisters, or even your own kids, in order to have a healthy relationship? I want you to think about this question and record a video of yourself talking about the answer to this question. Share the link of your video on Google Drive and please put the link into the group. The others, please watch your classmates' videos and comment on them. Thank you very much for having this class with me. See you around.